Welcome to the video tutorial of Gozen. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick overview on getting started with Dashboard. After logging into your Gozen account, you will land on your dashboard. The dashboard provides you with an overview of all the insights and allows you to act on them all in one place. In this section, we'll walk you through the dashboard's various features and how it provides a clear picture of your account's various data points. First, you will see on your dashboard is the contact engagement. It consists of total contacts, total active subscribers, unsubscribers, and bounced. So, the total contacts is the total number of contacts that are present in your account. Total active subscribers. This is the total number of subscribers in your list of active subscribers. So, excluding unsubscribed, deleted, or bound subscribers. Then, the unsubscribers. This is the total number of subscribers who subscribed via your campaigns. Bounce. Bounce is the total number of emails that were not delivered. Below that, you will find the campaign engagement section. This section consists of the total number of opened, clicked, unopened, and sent email campaigns. After that, it is the sign up section. This displays a list of all new signups along with the date and time they were created. In this video, I've given you a quick overview of the dashboard. Thank you for watching.